Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a dedicated review of the CurlSmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. This product is compared to Olaplex and I want to try it out. It really needed some TLC, some treatment. It's a bonding treatment for weak, damaged hair, resilience, protection, bond stability. I heard about this product all the time, same thing with Olaplex, but I know Olaplex can be a little bit pricey. This is the more affordable option and I always heard of CurlSmith and great things about them, so I decided just to review this just to let you guys know if it's worth your money. Does it really help with the curls? Like, is it really worth it? Is it just like a deep conditioner? Is it worth the money? You know, stuff like that. So with that being said, let's get started with this review. This is how my hair is looking before I apply the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, and as you can see, my hair is looking a very hot mess. It's looking like a rat's nest. It's looking like I don't take care of my hair. It's just looking horrible, period. But before I apply the Bond Curl, I have to wet my hair. You cannot wash your hair then apply this. This is not a deep conditioner. This is a hair bond repair treatment. I'm just rinsing out my hair with lukewarm water before I apply the treatment, and you want to make sure that it's thoroughly wet, damp, and not too soaking wet. This product smells so good. Even though this is not a deep conditioner or a conditioner, this is still a intense pre-shampoo treatment rich in proteins, and it targets the hair bonds to strengthen and repair the hair from the inside out. You guys are going to see me apply this many different times just because I want to make sure that this product is evenly distributed throughout my hair, and I do have some thick hair. I'm just gonna split my hair into 2 parts, and I wish I would have did 4 parts because I feel like it would have been distributed way better than 2 parts. But if I were you guys, definitely do 4 parts. The Bond Curl Rehab Salve has pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, and guava and kale. It's cruelty free and vegan. Just so many benefits with this product. Now I'm going to be taking this brush that you can get on Amazon, and I'll link it down below for you guys. I love using this brush to detangle my hair. Like, it's literally the best. And if you're tender-headed, this will definitely help you a lot because it detangles the hair so well, and it doesn't pull your hair, break your hair, nothing like that. It's very good for the curls. And when I use this comb, I noticed that it does give me like a small head massage, and it's gonna really help add the product to the root of my hair. Now I'm just gonna start off with the other side since one side is already done. With the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, hair strength is defined by its internal structure, the so-called hair bonds. When the hair is damaged, bonds break and make it more vulnerable to external aggressors. Bond Curl is a powerful blend of superfoods and fortifying active ingredients that target all different bonds that make up the hair structure, helping to repair, rebuild, and restore hair fiber strength. Rich in proteins and superfoods, it also provides protection to help against further damage. This product is for all curl types, even straight hair, but it is definitely more beneficial for weak and damaged hair. I could tell when I was using this product, my hair was getting really happy because the curls were popping, like looking very moisturized, and they were just soaking all of that in, especially the back of my hair. Like, look how good they look. This is suitable for any type of hair texture. Usage instructions change depending on your hair porosity. Low porosity, use every 4 to 5 wash days for 15 minutes. Medium porosity, use every 3 to 4 wash days for 20 minutes. Then for high porosity, use every 2 to 3 wash days for 30 minutes. But for me, I think I'm gonna use this once a month because I do not wash my hair that often. That's what works best for me and my curls, and it really helps my curls grow. The less I do to my hair, the more it'll grow. This is how my hair looks looks after I apply the product to the root of my hair all the way to the tip. You want your hair to be very saturated with this bond curl. Now I'm gonna put my hair up and put it in a plastic cap and leave it in for about an hour. It says 15 minutes to an hour, but since I have a lot of hair, thick hair, you know, I'm gonna just leave it in for an hour. It's been 1 hour and this is how my curls are looking. They're looking very defined, moisturized, and I noticed from the back like my hair looks very different, like with the curl pattern, and it just looks healthier, and it felt very soft, and it felt very defined too, and it looked defined obviously. But now I'm just rinsing out my hair with lukewarm water and some cold water. Then I'm gonna proceed to do my normal wash day hair routine. Once I rinse out the treatment, this is how my curls are looking. I'm honestly very impressed because, like I said, this is not a deep conditioner or a conditioner. It is a pre-shampoo treatment. It's really did a good job in my hair, like a great job in my hair. Then after I do my wash day hair routine, this is how my hair looks with absolutely no product in my hair. If you want to know my final thoughts and opinions about this Bond Curl Rehab Salve, stay tuned towards the end of this video. So it's been about a week since I washed my hair, and this is like the first time I did my hair within a week because I preserve the heck out of my hair. Like I make sure my curls are lasting for a really long time. But this is how my hair is looking. One thing I can say off the bat with this CurlSmith Bond Curl is that I notice it kind of makes my curls darker. I don't know if I'm tripping, but it may like bring a lot of, how should I say this? I feel like it brings a lot of protein and nutrients to my hair to the point where it's looking more alive. Maybe that's why it's looking darker. And secondly, I do notice that the top of my curls right here, they're not looking stringy, because usually when I have my hair in a bun or in a high ponytail for a really long time, my curls up top kind of forget to curl, and I notice that there's more curl to them and they're not looking as frizzy, because usually I swear like they can get so frizzy up top if I don't wear my hair curly for a while. But no, like look how my curls are popping. Like they're naturally frizzy, but like, you know, they're not looking super poofed up and frizzy and just there's no type of pattern to them, or it's looking damaged, because my hair's not damaged. It's just so used to being in a bun or something slick. But I'm trying to like get out of that habit so I can wear my hair out and curly so she can be free and grow and so she can be free and grow. And you know, and I'm just trying to grow this part too, since I got really scissor happy like a few months ago, but I noticed that they did grow. So hopefully like within 3 months my curls will be like right here, hopefully. It does come with 8 fluid ounces, and I think I used about, I can't really see, but I feel like I used about this much or almost half of it. And I do have a lot of hair, thick hair, so maybe in the future I'm gonna have to get 2 bottles of this, because most likely I would probably use this once a month, because it is powerful, it is expensive, and I just really want to use this for times when I've had my hair in a ponytail or the weather's like really dry outside. And it's winter right now, so it's been really dry outside, and I haven't really gave my hair a lot of love, so this will definitely help with that. I know for a fact if I use this consistently, it'll give my hair more curls, more strength. You know, it's all about consistency. But if you have damaged hair, I'll definitely recommend trying this out, and getting this is worth a try for sure, because I only used it one time, left it in for an hour. It says 15 minutes to an hour, but I left it in for an hour because my hair really needed that love. And the main reason why I keep focusing on the back, because it's mainly the back, like literally. Yeah, in the front and definitely needed love too. But in the back, y'all, it can get really dry. My hair is more 4A in the back and more 3C in the front, so it's kind of easy for the front to, like, you know, curl up a little bit more. But in the back, it really needed like that deep moisture, that care and compassion and just love. The bottoms of my hair are looking good, but if you guys want to know how I did my haircut, besides like this part, like this part used to be longer, but I got scissor happy like I said. But if you guys want to know how I did my DIY diva haircut or RIZOS haircut, I'll leave that video in the description box and you guys can check it out. Overall, I rate this product a 10 out of 10. If your hair needs that strength and your hair is not really that damaged, or if it is damaged, your hair would definitely benefit from this a lot. I'll link this product down below for you guys. It looks so pretty. I'm really happy with my results. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much. God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.